Hey there guys, so today we're going to do a fresh air damper or servo motor change on a Ford Ranger 2014. So I just thought I'd make a short video about this. There's obviously been a couple of videos on YouTube about this, but I just thought I'd do a short video on this for in case anyone has had trouble with this. So let's get stuck into it. Right, so the first thing you want to do is remove the glove box, which is situated right here. So we're going to pop the glove box out. Once we pop the glove box out, we're going to see that it's held in. So you press that side, it pops open and comes down. Then we're going to see that there's two little clips on the bottom there, which we basically just pull out, and those are the little clips I'm referring to that it just sits in. So once that's out, your glove box basically just pops out. So once you come down to this angle here, you'll see up there that is the fresh air or recirc damper, which opens the fresh air from outside into the vehicle, or it recirculates the air that's in the vehicle by closing the flap. So we'll come around and I'll show you where that's located. Luckily quite easy to access, and that's the little fella there. So I'll just rotate the camera. Right, so that's the location, and we'll just move the camera. So that's our one screw there, second screw there, and third screw right down the bottom here. So just take you through that. So we'll unclip this. There's a little clip in there, the wiring loom, the wiring harness. We pop that out, disconnect that out the way, and now we commence taking off the fresh air servo damper motor. A little tool that I've opted to use, which I find works really well, is a little ratchet, 1/4 inch bit into the little ting tools little handle, which is really handy to have, a little ratchet. So that's my tool of choice for this job. So let's get into it. Right, so now we've undone all the screws that held it in. 1, 2, and 3. Disconnect the wiring harness. So now we'll be able to just pop it out. There we go. And that's our little fresh air damper, or actuator, or damper or servo. So there she is. So we'll just put that aside. So here's a new one that's going to fit HVAC actuator, and yeah, so basically reverse procedure. So I'll pop it back in there. Back in its place, and reverse procedure, putting back screws. screws in place, and we just simply pop our clip back in and we're good to go. So there's the new actuator in place, and as we can see, the damper or the fresh air vents open, so we'll fire it up and give it a test. Keep pressing it, and there she actuates. So doing exactly what we wanted to do. Happy days. Alright guys, little short video. Thanks for watching.